Recording? Okay, this is for Future Diablo. I don't know what to put because I barely got it. Yeah. It's a Benny one.
Oh, there's three people. There's
there.
three.
These are the things I was talking about. They were red.
She let him. Take it now.
It's got like handlebars.
Go to your right side.
Yeah.
Yo. Someone needs to maintain the right side too, man. Friend, there's
Shut
no more with
up! It's just a light. That's my dog growling. Yeah, this seat looks way comfortable than yours. I took out the brakes. Well, we all did.
Daisy, Clay.
And yeah, everything matches on here. Not like varices, but it's okay. That's my dog I was talking about.
Just protect it. Just protect it.
So other dog. But you know, that's it. But yeah,
Don't get killed.
fit bike. I don't know how much it weighs, so